Motorola Edge 70. Pro plus Fuzz Motorola Edge 70 Pro. Which one wins? Fast verdict. All right, quick hands-on style breakdown between the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus and the Edge 70 Pro. Both phones look almost identical at first glance, but there are a few key differences that actually matter. The Pro Plus usually brings a slightly faster chipset, better sustained performance, and a bit more headroom for gaming and multitasking. You'll notice it most if you push your phone hard. The regular Edge 70 Pro, though, is no slouch. It keeps the same premium display, smooth 120Hz experience, and solid battery life, but at a lower price point. Cameras? Very close in real-world use, with only minor differences in processing and zoom stability. So here's the fast verdict. If you want maximum power and plan to keep your phone for years, go Pro Plus. If you want 90% of the experience for less money, the Edge 70 Pro is the smarter buy.